everyone, happy Friday. I'm Jill and this is YesterKitchen, and back there, oh, look, that's my real kitchen when I'm like kind of not using it. I know it's a little messy. Anyway, I just wanted to come in here and wish you a happy Friday and give you a big announcement. My website is up. My website is ready, YesterKitchen.com. I'm so excited. It's all there for you to play around in. All my videos, all my recipes. And in there, if you go to the very top where it says YesterKitchen merch, there's a link to my book. If you haven't gotten it yet, here it is. There's also a link to my merchandise section where you can get a coffee mug, or who doesn't need YesterKitchen shot glasses, right? I think you can, I don't think, I know, you can also get a YesterKitchen apron on there and all kinds of fun things. So it's just like, it's just, everyone needs some YesterKitchen in their life. I sure do. I know most of you have this book by now and I'm so excited. I can't even begin to thank you enough. It's doing amazing and I'm so excited and I have you to thank and I really, really appreciate it. But I've been getting a lot of the same question. Where's a cookbook? We need a cookbook. Do you have a cookbook? So I went into Hyperdrive, and I am announcing YesterKitchen, the cookbook. This cookbook, it's about 260 plus pages. It has every single recipe I have ever done on YesterKitchen in order of the episodes. So it starts with Thousand Island dressing, and that's still one of my favorite stories to this day. But it's just, and every single recipe all the way until probably mid-July is where I kind of stopped it, because you got to stop it somewhere. And it ends with a very, very delicious family enchilada, very American, but very family enchilada recipe, and everything in between. So everything you've commented on, everything you've made, all the pictures you've sent me of these dishes, every single recipe is in there. It is not a paperback, or it's not a paper book, it is an ebook. So it's right there. You can bring up any recipe anytime. And the cool thing about the book too is I made sure that every dish in the table of contents, when you click on it, it'll bring you right to the recipe. So you don't have to sit and scroll and scroll and scroll. So hopefully that's what you've been looking for. I got really excited putting it together, and every dish, every recipe has a picture. They might be a little smaller, they might be a little bigger depending on how much space I needed, but everyone is in there. And I hope you enjoy it. And one more thing I forgot to say, if you still have this to order and you're not an Amazon fan, I'm on Barnes & Noble too. So see, all bases are covered. I want to thank you so much for always being here, always commenting, always making my day. And now I'm going to go back and film some more videos because we've got some more retro dishes to do and history to do and stories to tell. And I'm here for you. And you guys, I've got my martini. You guys have a great Friday. And remember, every dish really does have a story.